Hey guys, really quick video I want to share with you. It's kind of an update and a video of some of the California coast, showing some more of how the Galaxy Samsung tablet did for as far as connectivity and stuff like that since I bought the new cord to go with it. And I wanted to share with you the update on the new cord that I got and show you how it looks on the DJI Mavic Air 2 controller, along with a 5-minute video showing, like I say, the California coast and how I flew out over the water and flew out over the cliffs and stuff like that. No problem, no issues, no connectivity, things to be worried about at all. So anyway, let me share with you really quickly the cord. So I bought this cord, and it's just a longer version. I think this one was an 8-inch cord. And I just bought it off Amazon. I can link it in the description if you're interested in the same cord. I'll just put an Amazon affiliate link in the description, and you can get the same cord. It was like, I think it was like $8 or something. It's like not even a major purchase, but really helpful because when you end up putting your tablet inside the, remember I showed you guys the PGY Tech tablet holder, and mine is on. When you put it inside the tablet inside the holder, and then you go ahead and you put it in the DJI controller, the problem I was having before was, since I had the original cord that came with the DJI controller, it was it's a really short one. It's like just a couple inches. And so it was causing me to have to put my tablet off center in order for the cord to fit in the side. So long story short, I bought this longer cord, and now you can just, I'll show you real quick, just plug it right in and plug it in on the side. And there you go. The screen is centered right over the joysticks, and you've got all the benefit of flying with a larger screen, which is a huge benefit, especially when I was out there on the coast, because it was really sunny. Conditions were really, a lot of glaring. I don't have a side visor hood sunshade for this thing, so being able to tilt the screen was really helpful. I couldn't imagine flying out there over the water without a larger screen to view the drone on, and of course keep line of sight. But when you're looking at the screen, you want to be able to see what's going on, and the larger tablet helped with that. And the longer cord is a must if you're going to use a tablet. One thing with the cord, though, I will say real quick, and then we'll get into the video, I'll show you the video, is even though both ends are the CUSB, it does appear one end has to be in, they have to be plugged in the right way. So, and you'll find out, because the controller will tell you, the screen will say controller not connected to the aircraft, and so, or not connected to the tablet. It'll tell you, so then you just reverse the cord and you're fine. Anyway, let's get to the video real quick. It's only 5 minutes. I don't want to make a 5-minute video 20 minutes, so let's get going. Really quickly, before we get started, go ahead and select HD on your playback settings if you can. This is a HD video. I shot it in 4K 60 frames a second. But take a look at this. Love this Mavic Air 2, man. And I'm just constantly trying to find new ways to make the flying experience even better for me. And using the tablet really has done that. And buying that cord I was showing you in the beginning of the video really helped me get that screen centered over the joysticks and that pad holder from PGY Tech. Man, just really made my flying experience a whole lot better. Look at this beautiful California coast. This is over in Point Arena. It took me about 4 hours to drive out there. I left about 3 in the morning. Buzzed on out here, and got there when the sun was coming up, and just look at the beautiful, rugged, dangerous coast. And look at, I'm flying out over this. You don't see any glitching. You don't see any problems. And I'm a ways from shore. I'm flying out definitely over, an environment that I could not retrieve this drone. I didn't once have any problem with
connectivity. I didn't have any problem with being able to see my screen, other than once in a while I would, be in a really glary spot with the sun, and I had to kind of just turn my back to the sun a little bit. But, never once did I consider that, man, I hope this thing works. I wouldn't have flown out over the water if I had. But, this is just a really great drone. It's the first, well, no, I did have the Mavic Air, regular Mavic Air. I had that for about 3 weeks, and then I said, you know what, I'm getting this Mavic Air 2. And so this is really it's the second drone that I've bought, but it's really the first one in my opinion. And the winds out here, let me talk to you about the weather this day. The winds out here were about 12 miles an hour. You can't tell from the video. There was no clouds in the sky. Beautiful blue water showing through. Stable video. The Mavic Air did not have a problem at all flying, way out over the coast into the ocean with wind. It didn't have, 12 mile an hour was not a problem for it at all. Watched my batteries. Everything looked good. No connectivity issues. Just look at this beautiful video, though. How often do you get to see waves swallow a rock and then release it like a flower opening and closing? Look at that. Just, this drone, and being able to view what a drone can see and can record, just being able to see that causes me to just really feel a different, more sense of renewed appreciation for the environment and the earth. Just really incredible. Now look here. I mean, we're way out here, and beautiful color, beautiful clarity, no glitching. This is 4K, 60 frames a second. That cord never caused any connectivity issue with the tablet or the drone. It was just a really good flying experience. I really had a good morning doing this. It was fun, and it helped me. Like I say in the first video that I made about the tablet, my concerns before buying the tablet were, man, is it even going to work? There's such a mixed matched, bunch of information on on YouTube and the internet about what, Android stuff will work and what won't, and it's better to use Apple, blah, blah, blah. And, I'm just making this video to share with you my experience and what I found, and it worked, and hopefully it will help you create a better flying experience for you, maybe even a safer flying experience for that matter, because if you can see more data on your screen because the screen is larger, you can fly more comfortably, without the fear of losing connectivity or things like that, or glare on the screen. It just makes a better flying experience, and I think a little safer flying experience. But at any rate, if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so. I appreciate it. I'm going to put the links to the cord, the PGIY Tech tablet holder, in the description down below of the video. Like I say, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm always bringing different content, to the channel, but it's all photography related. And now it's just, drone photography related also. So I've been doing photography for a long time, and the drone just adds another layer to it. And so at any rate, guys, take care. Hopefully this video helped you decide on a couple things. We'll talk to you later.